Find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by f of x as 2x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. So over here, this is a piecewise function because they exist as a pieces over here. So you need to check only for this 2 because only for 2, the left, that is when you approach towards 2 from the left, you have one function, and when you approach from the right, it's another function. So you have two different functions considered for different left hand limit and the right hand limit. So if there is a possibility of discontinuity, the possibility is only for the 2. So you need to check only for that particular intervals being mentioned over there always. So now limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. I'm finding the left hand limit first. So limit x tends to 2 minus, which means that a bit less than 2, something like 1.9, 1.99. So if it is a bit less than 2, the function to be considered is 2x plus 3 because that's the function for x less than 2. So you have to replace f of x as 2x plus 3, and putting the value of x as 2, you would get 2 into 2 plus 3, that is 4 plus 3, that is 7. Now finding the right hand limit, x tends to 2 plus f of x. Please understand that 2 minus and 2 plus does not mean positive and negative 2. It tells me the direction where you're approaching to. The left hand limit means you're approaching towards the 2 from the left, that is 2 minus, and 2 plus is when you approach towards 2 from the right. The limit extends to 2 plus, that means a bit more than 2, something like 2.1. So that's a bit more than 2, it's x greater than 2 to be considered. So your f of x is 2x minus 3. So replacing it as 2x minus 3, you will get 2 into 2 minus 3, that's going to be 1. You could see that already there are two different values, so you don't have to find f of 2. So from here itself, since it's already the left hand limit and the right hand limit is different, we can say that it's discontinuous at 2. So 2 minus f of x is not equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. Therefore, discontinuous at x is equal. That's how we do this.